Hey, welcome back to Building Dad Bod 2.0. Quick upper body video. Finally starting to make some progress on the upper body. Started off this workout with some dead hangs. I won't show the whole thing, but managed to get 50 seconds at 185 pounds. My goal was 60 seconds, so I got to up that. A little bit disappointed, but just happy with those. The shoulders feeling good on them now. So they paid off for me in terms of rebuilding my shoulder in the past. After that, finally got some full range of motion on some loo raises, and then went into some banded traction on my shoulders. So I'll show you this quick. I just pull into a reasonably heavy band, twist my hand back and forth, and then do just some arm circles with it. It really opens up the shoulder, gets rid of any crunchies in there before I get going on my workout. After that, I won't show you all my pull-ups, but did pull-ups doubles at 66 pounds. So this was on the way up. Hit one at 66, and then I hit an ugly 88-pound pull-up last week. I didn't film it. Failed 90 pounds there. And then I don't do chin-ups normally, but thought, what the heck, let's try it. Managed to get a 90-pound chin-up. Obviously not to the same standard. I didn't do it from a dead hang, but really surprised me. So I'm going to work on building the chin-ups up, and I'll alternate back and forth between chin-ups and pull-ups. And then I went back down to 66-pound pull-ups and managed to get another 5 sets of doubles there. After that, just wanted to see where my bench press was at. I failed 255 the previous week, and 255 moved nice. So it wasn't easy, but no real bad pain. Managed to get another single at 255 after that. So we're getting closer to being able to just go uninhibited on bench and start building that back up. After that, I've been building up the biceps slowly. So hammer curls at 50 pounds. This was the heaviest I've done. 2 weeks ago, I couldn't even come close to getting 50 pounds because it was too painful. We're still building there. The left can't handle really much in the way of eccentric, but it'll come. And then tricep rollbacks. I started doing these again. Started at 50 pounds here a couple weeks ago. In this workout, I managed to set a 5 at 60 pounds and then drop back down to 55 and did some more sets from there. So nothing mind-blowing in this workout, but we're starting to make progress more rapidly now. Body's starting to feel a lot better. That's it for the workout. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.